Also previously, no, so Ocean has in Pennyform, but G team now. Now, as I didn't know, yen GB park and so. But so already Toga Fede, Yera Toga Fede area, as well, no, Nediana infrastructure, probably my secretariat, any Adintiama, as our attention has shifted from park and so resort, no, aqua infrastructure, and on no few say, and no crack can be Nama. Is it supporters and stadium?
Rich, and some Aziz Kai Moody and intro. I think that and some people know kind in I crew.
But same infrastructure is here.
No, I'm talking about all the field achievements. Which number one? Is it not true that as a folk in the last couple of years, am I that powerful?
I agree.
Yes. Because look, he mentioned the early 2000s. They were dominating to the extent that they go to the African continent, dominate as well. It didn't from Continental Club Masters. Omoji Africa competition, Omoji League, Omoji Baba Yara, J Trophy Cup. And at the time, House of Folk were high flying. But then as we speak, come more on the field of play the Pankasa. Has Omo Shada Nyadi. The last time Omo, in fact, House of Folk between 2010 and 2022, they went for close to 10 years, no money Premier League trophy. Can you imagine? A big club like Accra House of Folk. It took some more body. Yeah. I don't know league. On no crowd league in the project no started more tranketino. FA Canada demo more tranketino. As we speak, one shadow who more than my team neighbor. This is indeed Dramani. You know, honesty away matches on my yard. But I'm both your money. House of Folk, the other church home form table no. I'm that all.
How's it your money?
Yes, because Utimini United both you know about draw out of Lions. And funny results. You see, Rich.
A recruitment no money.
There be a mekase. Talk about February 14th. Why ya dear papa? In fact, and near more project a wire of Pomimano and ya Ghana and standard. And what's a club from the African continent quite be precisely what I'm saying. But I didn't think Yankan was him. I think the communication department of House of Folk is failing. Or pardon in the man here. Only a monumental failure. Unim see an pay. And they has 114th anniversary. Huh? Kotoko ebe tweety e congratulate has e bo mama so wish mo happy birthday. Or true for say dancing in here. Huh? Rechuti. About an hour ago, Anna Kotoko be tweety say, and they has my birthday tio. Since you have forgotten it's your birthday today, Kotoko say has some refi name birthday or more kaimo. In the space of social media, after the time Kotoko tweeted way to congratulate House of Folk no more choice.
Me buy my first question. I'm Habib Grand and Buzano. Mako has official X page.
Yes.
Has a 140
yes.
Nothing.
What's
News
that?
be anywhere. A for birthday no.
And you see, they are joking because they say new media and it goes beyond traditional media. Social media is reigning now. So Twitter, now X, formerly Twitter, Facebook, TikTok, what are you doing to appeal to the greater audience out there? So, and then has special day, 114 years on the occasion of your 140th anniversary. These are the things we are doing. Unim. Kotoko Trina sana because Kotoko ebi omu truly has because omu rivals. And I'm go check has page. Me go check has page Rich. Can you imagine their last post at the time was 20 hours ago. Omu releasing statement on Mr. Mohammed. Yeah. And in Gwase no. Has is one of the biggest clubs in this country. They should be up and doing. I am communication expert in here. Kwame Parado. It's not always about granting interviews to selected media stations in Accra. It goes beyond that. If you want Accra's folk to get the needed visibility, has to put me mind facility every organ hanum say. And occasionally we see a documentary. Every fly on social media. People see that get to enjoy.
How's in this documentary? Oh, YouTube.
I don't know what I'm saying. And the last time, now no me didn't come. Supporters leadership ya now you to about more. Or call or more secretariat no more. We be a normal. When I saw the video, me bufu essing will be you see, we're talking about what brings money into the club and then what pushes the club and my club no valuable. There are only 6 teams. Africa, continental, treble no or Maybe. If we are seeing our clubs or my side, normally 21, Heart of Oak is one of those teams. This is a big brand. woko house secretariat omo ya de na omo akofa table bia be so na omo do omo ntoma and house colors na omo flag abesen yanim actually banners everything be no empty
no backdrop
talking about club awaji Ghana league 6 times at once in the
omo velo mu ni coach ni
club waji Champions League waji Confederation Cup waji Super Cup waji league 6 at once. And Yama has one should attract Ubi say I want to tour Heart of Folk and see achievement and Yama own. But all these things say Nyawa winning Abia way you want to take time to read and study about the club. Supporters and Quadano Moba Sisino. Enim Sanya man. But at least it should be something that is visible. And go focus on Santiago Bernabeu. It's €200 per day. Echo tour. I was Santiago Bernabeu to go watch achievement and Yema Madrid Ajiji. No, I get it, but so we are investor, rich, rich group and companies, and a house to book for NO Edin Komo. They want you to come on board, but sponsor heart for Sikabra, you investor or club. No, you go to meet house of folk, almost secretariat, or on a backdrop, near white, pure white, BBN. There is nothing that speaks value of the club. No. You be free on say be a walk on. You've planned to make economy attract me. I'm going to sponsor the team. I'm going to invest $1 million. What you saw there, it does not entice anything from you. You be free on over $200,000.
I'm good impression.
Exactly. Club name position and branding who to the level on team they attract and conform say Momra move for because Zando was talking about a nearby LC team near the Aziz Ekan was off the pitch. I believe that clubs will be home of faster angle. Example here, Arsenal. When they wanted to invest or Emirates, they stopped doing some things and then more results of park. So now, maybe I feel any number say for fighting consistently for the past 5 years. Arsenal pushy try everything to get trophy. Yeah, boy, my Chidi be also me and Netflix FC. Now pick out the book for instance. How's a free time now no successful parking so about off pitch and then you can support any team I will support to. Asema maybe can a debatable, but from where I sit, Heart to Folk is the most valuable club in Ghana.
Which is true.
Because when we talk yes,
in terms of infrastructure,
yes. When it means that off the pitch, you come back to pitch. I will agree with anybody who says, "Hey, a coach be near man a 5-year project, on farm building and drone house ever started successful." I will agree with anybody from that score. Again, as this Aruna Futa, a raising concern say value now ever house musi say house Edison Faswana. Last time let me think when I was telling Uncle Fosse the Ekuta house of Uxisi. Sekotoko any Kuta Sad and Kotoko the bomber to Krumu Benya supporters more than the house in your crime. Who Black Stars #1. Watch the World Cup qualify 6 games. Clean sheet Mako 5. Undimi did home.
I'm going to be
project play and M brand. Now no consider one go. Now what agenda is set in the media space and supporters who are consider good. Yen drop no more. No, you should be protecting him. You should be doing things. Mobile canvas supporters. Eddie, as this footer can say Real Madrid more dear no. I'm big sponsors. Name the amount. The players need audio. So one and they are more cars near home. Benjamin Assan and Emodia. Say Malcolm say any other company and other player never qua. Brand ni pare mani munye drew. Mani value en kosro. They are not doing it. Can't cry you be the talk at the channel.
And
you'll be the talk at the channel. So how's the 114 wedi? I wish you happy birthday. But the club currently, the administrator of the club are not doing things to make sure say value now I will say about team no so munya. Okay. Value so against Kotoko nti obey the won't me and push 2 hours day because all is to Kotoko.
Yemfa course be na bi na inventory on kitu ebimra emeto adwumade ni so mama